Welcome to KIDDO Duo. I am Shravan and today I'm gonna talk about the story of life on Earth. In this video, I'll be talking about the Precambrian Era, that is the mysterious beginning of life. In this video, I'll be covering parts like what the first ever life form looked like, how they evolved, and how they produced one of the most major components for life to exist, that is oxygen. Imagine a time so ancient that it's hard to picture. 4.5 billion years ago, our planet is young, violent, and unrecognizable. No trees, no animals, not even blue skies. This is the Precambrian, a vast stretch of time that covers nearly 90% of the Earth's entire history. Let's travel back to witness how the Earth was born and how the very first life began. The story starts in a disk of gas and dust orbiting our newborn sun. Gravity pulls tiny particles together, colliding again and again, until a molten ball takes shape, our planet. Asteroids and comets rain down, releasing enormous heat. The surface is a bubbling ocean of magma, while volcanoes bleed toxic gases like methane and ammonia, while the young moon, formed after a giant collision, looms closer than it does today, stirring up enormous tides. The first ocean and atmosphere. Over hundreds of millions of years, Earth slowly cools. Steam from relentless volcanic eruptions condenses, falling as endless rain. Basins fill to create the first ever oceans. The atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. There is no oxygen to breathe. Lightning and ultraviolet light spark chemical reaction in this soup, creating simple organic molecules, the essential ingredients of life. Somewhere in these early oceans, perhaps near hypothermic vents or shallow tide pools, simple molecules assemble into complex chains, amino acids, proteins, and RNA-like structures. Around 3.8 to 3.5 billion years ago, these molecules organize into the first living cells. They are tiny single-celled microbes, ancestors of all life on Earth. Fossils of layered bacterial mats called stralomites still survive in places like Western Australia, silent witness to this dawn of biology. For billions of years, these microbes thrive and evolve. Some discover a remarkable trick: photosynthesis, using sunlight to make food and releasing oxygen as the byproduct. At first, oxygen reacts with iron in the ocean, creating vast deposits of rusty red rock. But by about 2.4 billion years ago, the gas begins to accumulate in the atmosphere. This great oxidation event transforms the planet, clearing the skies and laying the foundation for complex life. But it's also catastrophic for many microbes that cannot survive oxygen's reactive power. With oxygen available, new forms of life emerge. Cells develop nuclei and internal structures known as eukaryotes. Around 1.8 billion years ago, these cells team up to form the first multicellular organisms. By roughly 600 million years ago, the seas host soft-hearted animals, simple sponges, jellyfish-like creatures, and strange Ediacaran fauna. They are the ancestors of every complex life that will follow. The Precambrian spans an almost unimaginable 4 billion years. In that time, the Earth has changed from a molten world to a planet with oceans, an oxygenated atmosphere, and the first complex life. Next comes the Cambrian explosion, where life will burst into incredible diversity. But that's another story. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe button and click that subscribe button for more videos like this. Until next time, it's me zooming out.